Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to change Instagram story background. So the process is quite simple and easy. First of all, open your Instagram app. After it open, tap on your story icon which is at the left top. Now select your story from your gallery like I am selecting a random pic for my story. After selecting, you will see the three dots and at the right top tap on these dots and tap on the first option draw. Now from the bottom, select a color which you like the most like I am selecting this one, and after selecting tap and hold on the screen. So now the background color has been changed. Tap on the stick sign which is at the right top. Now one thing from here, again tap on this sticker icon, scroll it down and tap on this plus sign. Again from here choose the same story. So as you see, now my story has been uploaded with the different background color. And then tap on the next sign which is at the right bottom and tap on the icon share. And when you will tap on done, your story will be uploaded with the background you choose for your story. So by this way you can change the background color of your story.